Hello, Miss King. My name is Amber. I had you for 112 as well over the summer. But anywho, this is going to be my lab for the skull. My webcam would not work, but you just gotta roll with it. So I made my list. I'm gonna show it to you, but it's gonna be backwards. My chicken scratch, but there's no hints or nothing. The back is just the form from the lab kit. And then there's my list, but I'll send you a picture of it as well. Okay, so we're gonna just start. I don't have it in any order, which I should have. But I got the frontal bone, this whole bone up here. Then you got your left and right parietal bones, these right here. Okay, then you got your two left and right temporal bones here, and one on the other side, of course. Okay, and then we got your occipital in the back. Whoa. That backbone back here. Okay, then you got your nasal bone. Right there, that nasal bone. Then you got your maxilla, which is the unmovable part of your jaw up here. Then, of course, you got the mandible, which is the movable part down here. Your zygomatic processes. Sorry, your zygomatic bones are your cheekbones on each side, here and here. Then you got your vomer. That's this inside part of the nose bone. Goes up and down there. Then I started going into some sutures. Your coronal suture. It's the one that goes from left to right here. Then I jumped to the lacrimal bone. And it's the inside part of your eye. That bone right here. Then you got your ethmoid bone. That's the bone in the very back of the eye. Okay, and then you got your mental foramen. These two indentures here. Then you got your external auditory meatus. That's this hole right here where all the inner ear workings go. Then you have your supra-orbital foramen. Of course, supra means above. Then you got your infra, it's at the bottom, below. Of course, you'll have one on each side of the eye, up and down. Okay, then you're going to have your sphenoid bone. That's right here. Then back to the sutures. Your sagittal just goes from front to back. That's your sagittal. Then again, I jumped to your inferior nasal concha. It's just the two bones that protrude inward, one on this side, one on that side. Okay, and then you got I saw it better on this side. The coronid process of the mandible. That's just that. Uh-oh, the bottom fell off. That inside bone right in there. Okay, and then you got your styloid process. That is that piece. It's a thin, long piece inside there. Then your mastoid process is this protrusion here. Then you got your squamous suture. That's the one that kind of curves here. Curves, curves, curves. And then your lambdoid suture, the one that crosses in the back. Right here. And then I also did the glabella, which is just your forehead bone. Right here, and that should be all 25 that I selected. And again, my name is Amber. Doing this off of a cell phone is not too easy, but that is it, and I thank you.